Boys and girls, let's begin with lesson 136 in arithmetic today. Let's start with reducing fractions. Let's see how quick you are. 2/3, 1/3, 1/2, 1/4, 1/4. Very good, nice and quick. Okay. Let's also review our mixed number. We're changing your improper fraction to a mixed number. So you have 10/3, 10/3. You divide 10 divided by 3 equals 3. There's 1 left over, and we make that a fraction 1/3. So the answer would be 3 and 1/3. Understand? All right, here we go. 4 and 4/5. Very good. 8 and 2/9. 4 and 1/6. 5 and 3/7. Excellent job. 6 and 7/8. Let's go over this. 55 divided by 8. 8 goes into 55 6 whole times, so that's your 6. How many's left over? 7 over, your denominator stays the same, 8. So your answer should be 6 and 7/8. Okay, very good. Let's review our chart. So let's go through this chart again. I want you to make sure that you know 1/10 is equal to 0.1. It's the same thing. 100th is equal to 0.01. Remember, how many zeros means how many place values means after the decimal. Okay, so 7/10, 1 0, 1 place value. 100, 2 zeros, 2 place values. There's only one number on the top, but there's 2 place values, and the number has to go in the last place. Okay, we can go over our decimals. So you're going to take the fraction and turn it into a decimal. So we took 1/100th and we changed it to 1/100th, 0.01. I want you to say, I'll show you the decimal, you show me the fraction. You tell me the fraction. Here we go. So again, 1/100th, right? 300ths. Make sure you have that S, hundredths. 1,000th, 1,000ths, 21,000ths, 31,000ths. There's a 0 because you need 3 place values when you write thousandths. Okay, 3 zeros, 3 place values. 2/10ths, 5/10ths, 8/10ths, again, tenths, just 8 and then 10 on the bottom. 4100ths, 100ths, 300ths, okay? Make sure you're practicing. And practice our column addition. Let's see how fast we can get. 1, 9, 11, 14, 17. 1, 6, 10, 19, 27. 2, 4, 9, 18, 26, 33. 3, 4, 7, 11, 19, 24. 2, 11, 17, 19, 26, 29. 2, 8, 14, 19, 21, no, 22, and 30. And our comma, ones, tens, hundreds, comma. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma. Let's read the number. 3,094,377. Let's talk today a little bit about money. Everybody loves money. Don't love money more than God, but everybody loves money. Let's say we are going to go to the store. I'm going to go to the store and I'm going to have a $10 bill when I get to the store. The item that I want to buy is $7.29. Let's say it's a new shirt. It costs $7.29. I give the cashier $10. Now, she has to give me back some change. Remember, I've told you, boys and girls, many, many times, it is your responsibility to make sure she gives you back enough change. Now, she should do the right thing, but everyone makes mistakes. You need to make sure that she's giving you back the right amount. And that's why we're teaching you this. The first thing she needs to do is start at $7.29. They need to make sure you start at $7.29 and you count with the smallest amount first. So the smallest amount would be pennies, right? Do we need any pennies to make this even? I would use a penny. When I give you back a penny, that will change my $7.29 to $7.30. Let's write it down so you remember. To $7.30. 1 penny. Now we're at $7.30. We're going to count all the way till we get to $10. 1 penny. $7.30. Now, when I get the next amount, I'm going to use dimes. Why did I skip nickels? Because I'm going to use the largest amount. $7.30, $7.40, $7.50. That's 2 dimes. And now we're at $7.50. Now, if I'm at 50 cents, I can use quarters. $7.50, $7.75. Let's put that down there. $7.50, $7.75, and then $8. How many quarters? 2. 2 quarters. And now I'm at $8. How many dollars do I need? 2 more dollars to go from 8, 9, 10. So my change that the lady should give me back, I'll collect it all here, should be $1, $2, $2.25, $2.50, $2.60, $2.70, $2.71. And there you have it. Okay? So I have $2.71. Now, if I wanted to check my answer, I would have $7.29 plus $2.71, and that should equal my $10 that I gave her. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 7 is 10. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 2 is 10. And that checks out. Okay, let's do one more together. I have another bunch of money. I have a $5 bill. Let's say I'm going to go to the candy store. I want to go to the candy store and I want to buy a chocolate bar, let's say. My chocolate bar costs $1.67. Let me make some lines here so you don't confuse the two. I have a $5 bill. Can you see it? Your $5 bill is what you give to the cashier. Now, if you give the cashier a $5 bill, but your item only costs $1.67, you need some change back. The person should start with the lowest amount of money. $1.67, $1.68, $1.69, 170. How many pennies? I dropped one. 3 pennies. And that makes us, we said 170. Okay? Now, we're at 170. Think about what we need next. A nickel. A nickel would get us to 175. 1 nickel would bring us to 175. From 175, we can use 1/4. 1/4. 175 plus a quarter would be $2. Okay, and we're at $2. Now we need to get to 5. $3, $4, $5. How many dollars did I need? 3. $3. Okay, now let's add them up. Whoop, I dropped it again. We'll take this one. 1, 2, $3. $3.25, $3.30, $3.31, $3.32, $3.33. $3.33. Now, when we add them up, $1.67 plus $3.33, we should get what number? The $5, right? We add them up. 7 and 3 is 10. 1 and 6 is 7, and 3 is 10. 1 and 1 is 2, plus 3 is 5. And we got $5, so we are correct. Okay, boys and girls, let's take out your worksheet, lesson 136. Okay, boys and girls, this is what your worksheet looks like. We're on lesson 136. We're on page 245. And this gives you the instructions on how to count backwards, counting change. We're going to go down to class practice. It says circle the letter if change is counted back the best way. Remember, the best way is to start with the lowest amount of money, the fewest number of coins, and starting with the smallest denomination first. So, the customer spent $2.05. He gave them $3. Excuse me. The clerk gives back 2 dimes and 3/4. Is that the best way? Yes, it is, because they started with 2 dimes and it's less than 3/4. Dimes is a smaller denomination. Next one. So you should circle that, letter A. Letter B. 99 cents was the item, $5 was what the customer gave them, and they should give back change. They gave back first $4. Is that correct? No, we need to give back the smallest denomination first. So do not circle that one. Same thing on C. $3.16, it's $4. They gave back 4 pennies, making it $3.20. They gave back 6 nickels, that's making it $3.50, and 5 dimes, making it $4. Could they use something other than 5 dimes to make it least amount of coins? 50 cents can be made with 2 quarters. Do not circle letter C because they could have used quarters. Okay? Letter D. $2.79. $10 was what they gave to the clerk, and the clerk gave him back 1 penny to make it $2.80, 2 dimes to make it $3, $2 bills to make it $5, and a $5 bill to make it $10. Is that correct? The smallest amount of money came first, pennies, and the biggest denomination was used. So that's correct. You can circle letter D. Go ahead and finish the review on the back, and we will see you back for tomorrow's lesson. Have a great day.